Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is the Rambler's Legacy bag. I believe this is a remake actually of the vintage one. So this one was made in 2013, I believe, based on the serial number stamped under the creed. And it says it was made in China. And as you can see, it's in the color black. And the style number was 9061. So it comes with an adjustable strap. Here's what the rest of the strap looks like. So you can see it in frame. And it's a beautiful leather bag. Comes with a turn lock closure and a slightly gusseted pocket here under the front flap. So here's the front close up. Here's what the sides look like, and then here's the back of the bag. And the nice thing is it comes with a back slip pocket right here on the outside of the bag. And then when we open the bag, it's got a back zip pocket along the inside. So just to reiterate, it's got this front gusseted pocket that's right under this front flap. It's got the inside zip pocket and then also this back slit pocket. So it's got those three pockets, which is nice. So you've got those three options in terms of pockets. And here's a photo of the creed that's located on the inside of the bag. It's hard to pick up on camera, so here's a picture so you can see that the bag is authentic. So anyway, that's the Rambler's Legacy bag, and this bag is now available in our online shops, so if you were interested in checking it out further, the link will be below. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching, take care, and we'll see you next time.